Hello again, this is Crafty Mama Dawn with DBD Crafts. I'm going to try and use up the rest of my paints here. I've already prepped the back by taping my edges on my canvas. I am going to start with silver. My pouring medium is Elmer's Glue, Floetrol, Liquitex Gloss medium and varnish, and some silicone. And I'm using colors that are outside of my norm, just playing with different looks, playing with different techniques, trying new things, having absolutely no clue what's going to happen. Red. Touch of black. Pink. Copper. A little bit more teal. All right. This one I am going to let sit for at least a minute because I want all of that metallic to come down. And I'm still using, it's the same day, you can tell by my clothing, I'm still using the same bin with the same waxed paper. I've spun it around. All of the previous pours are over here, and this pour will be on this side where it's been relatively clean. I still have one canvas board that I can soak up stuff with after I pour this. And I'm going to have to open a new canvas because I have a lot of paint here still. I do have another 6x12 there I can immediately pour on. So a lot of people put down a little bit of white or black on their canvas, and then they pour up into it like this. So we're already rolling off. I'm not going to torch, okay? Not going to torch. I am going to see what I get with what I have. And I may torch at the end, and I may not. Might not have made enough paint. I hope so. Really don't like that brown color right there. Not happy with that. This is when I'm going to slide the sheet over and come down and pick up some color that poured off of here. And get it down onto this corner, which did not get covered very well. So one of my favorite pour artists uses this copper metallic a lot, and I thought I would try it. I don't think me and copper are very good friends. It's not really a look that I am in love with. I know, however, that I can, if I really don't like it, I can go over the top of it. That's just a serious waste of paint, though, when you pour something and you really don't care for the way it turned out. That's it's sad. But then again, I am working out of my comfort zone with these colors, so you know, it's that whole element of trying. You have to try. You have to try to do things that expand your skill. So I'm working on expansion right now. Right now, we're working on it right this very minute. A little bit on the sides that didn't get covered. Probably could have poured quite a bit more paint onto this, but I didn't. So now I'm scooping. Scooping. I'm trying not to mess up the parts that I really like. Like I really like this in here. And this might be a good one to use spray silicone on. Okay, I don't want to mess it up. And I'm going to wipe off my hands with my wet towel. I like the addition of the red. There's some depth in there now that I definitely was missing. And I am going to try that. We'll see if it does anything at all. And I am going to torch. There's been some purples that have come out in it because of the addition of the red. So that's kind of cool. There's that band of red and orange, and now I've just caused some lacing to occur in there, which is pretty cool. It looks like a crack, like it's cracking open up here. The sides, even though I poured them, actually continued to run down the side, so it looks pretty cool. It's not, you can't tell that I scooped it on in any way, shape, or form. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna slide this down here as far as I can get it, and grab another rack. And this rack I'm going to do a little bit differently because I have that piece. I am going to come into here with the silicone. Kind of a stormy sky or something, I don't know. I suppose it's what part of the country that you are from as to a sky. But let me try something. Boy, it's all about the swipe today, I think, which is kind of funny. I'm not generally a swipe girl, but it's happening today. And because I put the silicone right on the top, I was hoping for some great reaction. So we'll see. We'll see. All right. My wet towel is now full of color. Okay. But that is very dark. So both of these pieces are really dark, much darker than the other ones that we did. There's still this bit of mint green coming through. That was almost a little too much pressure blowing it. When you blow it, sometimes it can flower it out to reveal whatever color's underneath. However, I think what's underneath is all just mud. So that didn't work like I had hoped. So we'll just let that be. I think that it might be kind of fun at this point, because you can't really see the metallic of it, to add some metallic. Again, we're playing, right? How do you make good art? You make bad art. So let's see. Yes. This is Silhouette brand ultrafine glitter. In black and silver. And we're going to try. Because why not? Right? Because there's a process. Trial and error, failure, fail, get up, do it again. You have to be willing. So, ooh, I like the silver. I'm going to put pictures of these on my Facebook page, DBD Crafts, as in Designs by Dawn Crafts, on Facebook, and Instagram under the same name. I'll put pictures of the finished pieces. More Silhouette glitter. This one is like a lime green.
Hey, Mom,
What?
can you take them out? They're up here barking.
I'm videoing, Jordan. Just a minute.
Can I send them down?
Okay, so I will post pictures up when these are dry so you can see them. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.